Hello mga ka-CH! In this video, pupuntahan natin some of the establishment here in Nuvali.
Gusto nyo makita yung sa loob? Tara, pasok tayo.
Nuvali is the country's largest eco-city development. May residential communities, commercial establishment, school, and recreational facilities. Bibisita tayo. One of the model unit here in Aberdeen Estate, Nuvali. Then this is the kitchen area. We have the ready ka na ba?
Sabi nga nila, ang Nuvali is the next BGC of the South. And here's why. Kasi maraming commercial establishment here in Nuvali.
May EV charging hub, Solinad 1, 2, 3, and ongoing construction ang Solinad 4. Meron SM Yulo Premier and Seda Hotel.
One of the establishment here in Nuvali is yung Uniqlo. Tara, pasok tayo.
Today mga ka-CH, nandito tayo sa Nuvali again, and this is the Aberdeen Estate. So may mga available units sila here in Aberdeen. We got the Erin model unit. Check natin yan. Marami pa silang available and lot only available. So tara, pasok tayo dito sa loob ng isang unit nila.
So guys, nandito tayo sa loob ng isang model unit. Ito yung living area niya. Ayan, makikita nyo naman, we have the windows right here. Ayan, pwede kayo magpalagay ng frame. And the ceiling, pwede nyo i-design like this. Ayan. Disclaimer lang guys, this is a model unit. Yung actual unit niya, wala kayong mga ganito. So, pwede nyo siyang gawing ganyan. Nandito yung entertainment natin. And we're going to the dining area. So, ito. Yung dining area niya. Tabi lang ng living area. We have, ayan, sliding door. And then, we got 1, 2, 3, 6 packs. Pwedeng kasyang-kasya sa dining area natin. Tabi lang niya yung stairs. So, we going to the kitchen area. Ayan. Punta tayo sa kitchen area na to. Medyo maluwag yung kitchen area natin. Overhead cabinets. We got the kitchen sink and then the under cabinet. Yan. Pwede nyo gawin yung ganitong model na cabinet. And then we got the electric cooktop. Pwede nyo siyang i-place right here. Meron tayong small window dito. And sa tapat ng kitchen natin, we had the small bedroom. Pwede siyang made bedroom. May cabinets na rin. May cabinets siya. May cabinets yan, lalagyan ng mga damit nila. Then, pwede rin itong granny room para sa mga senior natin. Then, tabi nito, we got toilet and bath. The first toilet and bath kasi meron pa tayo sa taas. So, this toilet and bath, we got the shower set, the sink and the bowl. Meron siyang maliit na cabinet right here. Pwede yung palagyan. Okay? So, we going to the second floor. Going to the second floor. May malaking window siya. Ayan, sa magkabilang side. Then, we got, pwede nyo pagawa yung stairway natin ng ganyan. Yung mga design siya. Then, let's go to the second floor. Ayan. Sa second floor natin, we got 3 bedroom and 1 toilet and bath. Tapos meron siyang, pwede siyang study area. Like that. Oh, yan, no. May libro siya dito. Pwede kayo magbasa ng libro. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung cabinets niya. Then, we got this massive window. This 3 window. So, it gives natural light during the daytime. Ayan. Sobrang liwanag. Di mo na kailangan ng ilaw. Then, first natin is the master bedroom. Tara. So, this is the master bedroom. We got the bed right here. Ayan. May aircon na siya. Provision sa aircon. Tapos, window. Dalawang window. And, pwede ka rin maglagay ng TV nyo dito. Cabinets. Meron ka pang balcony. Ito yung balcony nyo. Ayan. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan. Yan yung balcony niya. Napaka-relaxing yung place na to. So, we're going to the second bedroom. Ito. Second bedroom nila. Sakto lang. Sakto lang. Kung may mga anak kayo, sakto lang siya. Meron din siyang cabinets. Ayan. Tapos, may study area din. And provision sa aircon. Ayan. Itong aircon na to, nakalabas siya dun sa balcony. Yung likod niya. So, tapos na tayo sa second bedroom. And then, tapat na nito, mayroong toilet and bath. Ayan. Ito yung toilet and bath. We got shower set, bowl, and sink. Tapos meron cabinets. Ayan. After that, ang last one is third bedroom. Yan, yung third bedroom sa taas. Yan. And may cabinets din. And study area for the kids. Provisional for the aircon. Then, may window siya dito. Ganda oh. Hindi mo na kailangan ng ilaw. Yung umaga. So, yun. Tapos na yung house tour natin. And this is the model unit here in Aberdeen.